Hello kids, welcome back. I'm Farida and guess what? I am going to the zoo and I am going to see many wild animals that are wild in nature. Have you all seen wild animals? Do you know what are wild animals? Don't worry kids, I will tell you. Come with me. So children, wild animals are wild in nature. They live in the forest and find their own home and shelter. There are many wild animals. Let's meet some of them. This is a lion. The lion is also known as a king of the jungle. And do you know? They are fantastic hunters and they have very sharp claws. And this is the sound of the lion. This is an elephant. An elephant is the biggest animal. It has a huge body and a big trunk. An elephant loves to eat leaves. And do you know the elephant loves bananas? The sound of the elephant is. This is a zebra. The color of the zebra is white and has black stripes. You know children, zebra also likes to eat grass and leaves. And the sound of the zebra is. So children, now let's meet monkey. This is a monkey. Some monkeys live on the ground while some live in the trees. Monkeys are very clever and social animals. They are very naughty creatures also, children. Do you know that? The sound of the monkey is. So children, let's meet the bear. Bear have large bodies covered with fur. They are big and heavy and they can run very fast. They are good at climbing and swimming. The sound of the bear is. Let's meet the next animal. This is a deer. They are known for being calm and gentle animal. They love to eat plants and grass. They are very fast runner. The sound of the deer is. This is a tiger. Tiger belongs to the cat family and they look like a big cat. And do you know children, the color of the tiger is orange with a black stripes. The sound of the tiger is. Now the last friend we are going to meet is a leopard. They have dark spots on their fur. Leopards are the part of big cat family and the sound of the leopard is. These were all the wild animals that we met in the zoo. So children, I hope now you know who are all the wild animals. Children, you can also refer to GK book page number 11. So open your page number 11 and these are all the wild animals that we have learned today. Tiger, leopard, lion, bear, monkey, deer, elephant, zebra. Okay children, I hope you all liked my video. Please do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Until then, goodbye.